Okay, good morning. Good morning to all. Compound angles. Before starting compound angles, we need some basics of vectors. So take a horizontal line OX and A be any point on the plane whose coordinates of A are x1, y1. Then position vector of A OA bar is given by x1 I bar plus I cap. Actually we say I cap unit vector x1 I cap into y1. Similarly, I will take one more vector OB bar whose position vectors of B are x2, y2, whose coordinates of B are x2, y2. Then position vector of B OB bar is given by x2 I cap plus y2 j cap. Then by definition of dot product OA bar dot OB bar equal to x1 x2 plus and magnitudes mod OA bar equal to root of x1 square plus y1 square and mod OB bar equal to root of x2 square plus y2 square. Suppose let angle XOA equal to theta 1 and angle XOB equal to theta 2. Then what is angle AOB? So this is theta 1. This is theta 2. Then what is the angle AOB? XL. Theta 1 minus. Now, dot product also defined OA bar dot OB bar is equal to mod OA bar into mod OB bar into cosine of angle between OA bar and OB bar. Dot product also defines this. OA bar dot OB bar is given by x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equal to mod OA bar say small r1, say mod of OB bar say small r1 equal to r1 r2 into cos of shall I write cos theta 1 minus theta 2? So from this cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 by r1 r2. Again split into two terms equal to x1 x2 by r1 r2, that I write x1 by r1 into x2 by r2 plus y1 by r1 into y2 by r2. So whenever you see x by r, y by r, we call trigonometric ratios. X by r is nothing but cos theta, y by r is nothing but sin theta. You remember? So then it is cos theta 1, x1 by r1 is cos theta 1, x2 by r2 is cos theta 2. This is sin theta 1, sin theta. x1 by r1 is cos theta 1. You can also write, you take projection of A on x-axis, then from triangle OA, A dash, you get cos theta 1, cos theta 2 like this. Okay. Now, in place of theta 1, theta 2, you write A comma B. So cos of A minus B can be written as, tell me what is cos of A minus B? Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. One of the important compound angles, trigonometric ratios of compound angle. Similarly, I will define cos A plus B. So I write cos of A plus B as cos of A minus B because I know only cos A minus B. I have only cos A minus B formula. In place of B I write minus B. So you get cos of A minus B. So in the expansion of cos A minus B, in place of B put minus B. So what do you get, sir? Cos A. Cos of minus B is cos B plus sin A into sin of minus B is minus sin B. So I will put minus sin A sin B. So it is an application of cos A minus B. Similarly, sin A minus B also I will obtain from cos A minus B only. Sin of A minus B I will write in terms of cos of angle. Cos sin theta can be expressed in terms of cosine. How? Sin theta in terms of cosine of angle. In the angle. I am not asking the expansion of sin A minus B. To construct only, to find sin A minus B only I am asking. Yes, very good. Sin theta is cos. So sin of A minus B, I will write cos of 90 minus of A minus B. Is it not so? Sin of A minus B is cos of 90 minus of A minus B. This is cos of 90 minus A minus of minus plus B. It is the form cos A plus B again. Cos of A plus B form. Okay. So expand cos of A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Second formula. So this is cos of 90 minus A cos B plus or minus sin of 90 minus A sin B. And what is cos 90 minus A? Sin A. And sin 90 minus A? Cos A. Right. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Excellent. Similarly, sin A plus B. Sin A plus B, in the formula sin A minus B, we write minus of minus B. We will get sin A cos of minus B is cos B minus cos A sin of minus B is minus sin B. Similarly, tan of A minus B is sin A minus B by cos A minus B. Is it not? Sin by cos. Tan is nothing but tan of A minus B sin of A minus B by cos of A minus B. Sin A minus B is given sin A cos B minus cos A sin B by cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus I will convert in terms of tan only. Tan A minus B also in terms of tan of angles. To get tan of angles, in the denominator I take cos A cos B common. If you take cos A cos B common, this becomes 1 plus sin A sin B by cos A cos B nothing but tan A tan B. So take denominator, in the denominator cos A cos B common becomes 1 plus tan A tan B. Any doubts, sir? In the numerator also take same cos A cos B common. Cos B is already taken. Cos A is not there, so divide. Sin A by cos A becomes tan A minus. We are taking outside cos A cos B. Cos A is taken outside. Cos B is not there. Sin B by cos B becomes cos A cos B cancel. So this is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan. Similarly, tan A plus B is minus of minus B. Tan of A minus of minus B. In place of B, put minus B. What do you get, sir? Tan A minus of minus plus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan of minus B. Any doubts, sir? Similarly, cot A minus B is another important term. Sin, cosine, tan is over. Cosecant, secant are not necessary. If anybody asked, you find sin and cos and take its reciprocal. Suppose secant of a minus b is asked, find cos of a minus b and take its reciprocal. But cot a minus b is the most important formula, one of the important using formulas. So I'll write cot also. Okay. Cot a minus b is cos a minus b by reciprocal. What do you get, sir? Write in terms of cos. Cot a minus b, cos a minus b by sin a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b by sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So to write in terms of cot, take sin a sin b common in the numerator. Sin a sin b common. If you take sin a sin b common, it becomes cos a cos b by sin a sin b, becomes cot a cot b plus 1 by, in denominator also take sin a sin b common. To cancel, take sin a sin b common. Sin b is already taken outside, sin b is not there, so divide. Cos b by sin b becomes cot b minus, sin b is already taken outside, sin a is not there, divide. Cos a by sin a becomes cot a. Sin b cancelled, sin a sin b cancelled, equal to cot b cot a minus 1 by plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. For cot a plus b, 3 plus minus b, minus of 1. 3 plus minus b, what do you get, sir? Minus cot b cot a plus 1. Minus cot b cot a plus 1 by minus cot b minus cot a. Apply minus to the numerator, denominator cot b plus cot a. Minus cot b minus cot a. Apply minus to the numerator. We already minus cot b told, plus cot b cot a minus 1. Very good. Write down these 6 formulas. 6 or 8? 8. Only formula. If you need proof of cos a minus b, write in rough, not proof of single. Take it fast. Finished, huh? This part. Anybody writing this part? No. Are you ready? Give some sound, otherwise I can't understand. Because covered with your mask. If you make sounds, then the saying yes or no. Right. Observations. Eight observations. Cos A minus B, cos A plus B. అదే పనిగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. Observe. Yes sir. Observing very closely. What is the difference? For minus plus is there, for plus minus is there. That's all. Very good. And if I add cos A minus B plus cos A plus B, what is the result? The right hand side seems to be x plus y, and in the second value x minus y. Same values of that. Second term vanish. 2 cos A cos B will come. Same, if you subtract cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, 2 sin A sin B will come. See that? Then you add, you will get second term vanish, sum of first terms, 2 cos A cos B. If you subtract, first term vanish, 2 sin A sin B will come. If you multiply x plus y into x minus y, right hand side. If you multiply cos of A minus B into cos of A plus B, is cos of A square minus B square. Cos of A minus B into cos of A plus B is, so what will come? Will say cos square A cos square B minus sin square A sin square B. Is it not? X plus y into x minus y. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is one factor, one value. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is another factor value. So multiply, you will get this. I will convert cos square B sin square A in terms of sin square B and cos square A. How to convert? I will write this as 1 minus sin square B. Cos square A into 1 minus sin square B. Sin square A also in terms of cos square A. 1 minus cos square A. Sin square B as this. Already we are writing in terms of cos square A sin square B. In terms of cos square A sin square B. Why sir? Yes sir, that's all. Minus cos square A sin square B minus of minus plus cos square A sin square B cancel. What is the result? Cos square A minus sin square. We can also write in terms of cos square B and sin square A. We can also write in terms of cos square B. So put 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus cos square. What do you get, sir? Cos square B minus. So you can also write, sir, cos square B sin square A also. So either in terms of cos square A sin square B or cos square B sin square. Okay, right. Similarly, sin also asking. What, sir? Sin of A minus B plus sin of A plus B is what? Adding first. Second term vanish. 2 sin A cos B. Difference. Sin A minus B minus sin A plus B. First term vanish. minus 2 cos A sin B. See that? Minus 2 cos A sin B. And product sin A minus B into sin A plus B. What do you get, sir? Sin square A cos square B minus cos square A sin square B. I will convert this in terms of sin square. 1 minus sin square B. 1 minus sin square A. So I am writing all in terms of sin square A, sin square B only. Sin square A, sin square B only. Expand this if you get minus sin square A, sin square B, minus of minus plus sin square A, sin square B cancel. Balance sin square A minus sin square A. We also write in terms of cos square. Cos square. That is write 1 minus sin square, 1 minus cos square becomes cos square B minus cos square A. See that? 1 minus sin square A minus 1 plus cos square. Right. Tan of A minus B into tan of A plus B. You have tan cos square, no need. That's all. So the right of these also. Make it fast. I am asking you the trigonometric ratios of the angle 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Are you prepared, sir? Shall I ask? Can you show me the table at least in your notes? Sir, how many are you? Not in the textbook, in your notes. Yes, ma'am. Today is first class. Okay. What, sir? You didn't write. You didn't write. Madam. Where is the table? Right. Very good. Very good. Choose it. Right. Very good. Very super. Excellent. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You didn't write. Huh? You also didn't write. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Show me.
Not like tables, only ratios.
Show me what are you. What about madam? 10, 11.
Substation mother table
12, no, 10, 11. Very good. Very good. So 12 people out of 19. 12 people are not receiving my work. Then what is the use of taking class? No. Because you are coming to the campus by 6 a.m. and you are leaving by 10 p.m. So you don't have time. Don't have time, sir, because you are coming to campus by 6 a.m. and leaving by 10 p.m. and you are leaving your bag here only. because you don't have to try to carry it to home and again come by 6 o'clock. Spend at least 1 hour, at least 1 or 2 hours for the all 4 subjects. Otherwise, wasting time. We are in the month, in the year end, we are not in the beginning, sir. We are not in the beginning. It is today's date is 27th November. 28th November. Almost one time we had to complete the syllabus by this date last year. Whoever got doubt, they are coming to regular scheme, and some people are coming to revision category, objective revision. Take serious. Very good. One thing is good. One good thing is you are coming to the college. Realize coming to the college. So then implement it. Okay? Right. Now, because I'm going to ask the value of cos 15 degrees. But you don't know the angle of 0, 30, 40, 45, 60 and 90 also. You are not writing or you don't know. No? But how to find 15, sir? So I will use the formula. I will write cos 45 minus 30. I know the angles of trigonometric ratios of the angles 45 and 30. So I will write 15 as 45 minus 30. So I will write the trigonometric ratios in terms of the angles 45 and 30. So that is what we need the components formula are useful. Cos 15, I will write 45 minus 30. By definition, cos 45, cos 30 plus sin 45, sin 30. Is it not the definition of cos minus? We know all the trigonometric ratios of 45 and 30. Not we, I have the 2-3 people. You must write Ryan and Ryan compulsory. Right. This is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. So I write root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So one of the application. And cos 15, I'll write cos 90 minus 75. Shall I write, sir? 15. I'll write 90 minus 75. Cos 90 minus theta form. Cos 90 minus theta is? So cos 15 also is same as sin 75. And its value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, cos 75, 45 plus 30, 45 plus 30, result is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos A plus B formula. And it is also equal to sin 50. Make it fast. Thank you.